In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Super Unlimited Proxy VPN from your computer. So for this case, I'll show you how you can do it on Windows computer. So if you are on Windows 10 or 11, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and close the program to make sure it is not running. And you can see we still have the program shortcut here. To uninstall this, go ahead and click on control icon here on your desktop. However, if you can't see this control panel, you should go to start menu and then under search here, just type control panel. And now you can see control panel is here. It is under systems. If you open control panel, go ahead and look for this program and features and tap on it to open. This will list all the programs that are installed and running on your computer. From the list, scroll down until you get your VPN. You can see mine is here. To uninstall this, just click on it and you should see now on top an option to uninstall this program. If I click on this, now I'll confirm by clicking on yes, and this will prepare this program for removal. So this will go ahead and launch the uninstallation wizard and the installation process will commence. Now at this point, you need to be patient. As you can see here, you're told please wait while setup wizard removes this VPN. And as you can see, within no time, the process will begin. Now here, as you can see, I'm told some files that needs to be updated are currently in use. I'll just go ahead and ignore this to continue the process. And this will go ahead and remove all the files from this VPN. As you can see here, the shortcut has been removed. However, all the files are yet to be uninstalled. So let's wait for the final process. And finally, it is done. All the files have been removed. Now, if I go back to my program, you can see we no longer have this VPN among the list. So that's how you can uninstall Super Unlimited Proxy VPN from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.